Alright everybody, welcome back. This is for video tutorial number 8. Today we're going to teach you how to do a sweep. So this is my basic floor plan I've got going, just some generic walls. To do this, you go to your architecture tab, component, model in place, and then you just select what you want it to be classified under. So because I'm doing a wall detail on there, it's going to be like a wainscot. I'm going to do walls, and we'll name it stone because it's going to be a stone wainscot, right? So once we get into here, we go up to our Create tab and we select Sweep because that's what we want to make. And now we need to sketch where our sweep's going to go. So we're going to sketch a path. I'm going to use the Pick Lines tool, and just really quickly, I'll just pick all the lines I want it to follow. So I want it to follow the outside of all my walls, right? Go there, green check mark. You'll notice up here we've got a little hash grid. That's the face that we're going to sketch on. So if I go to my East view, I can go to the profile bit here and I edit my profile, and now I'll draw the profile I want for my sweep. So I'm going to do a little angle, come down to a flat nose, there'll be a little ledge, and we'll come down, down, and we'll do a little round bit at the bottom for funsies, right? Maybe a little nice little bulb, and then you finish your drawing off however you want. That looks good to me. It's going to be in the wall a little bit, but that's okay with me. We could even go and move that over so that it's right even with the wall. That'd be okay. So we've got our profile sketched. Now you click the green check again, and it creates your sweep. So we go to our 3D view, you can see that better. And then there it is. And you can assign this a material of whatever you want by clicking on it and just going over to here and assigning a material to it. And that's how you make a sweep, and you finish your model, and now you have a beautiful wainscot around your building.